Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
If your food processor is making a loud whirring noise, unplug it and check for stuck food or debris around the blade and motor. Clean any blockages carefully. Then, inspect the blade for damage or looseness and ensure it's securely attached. If the noise keeps happening, worn motor bearings may need professional service. Often, quick cleaning and checking the blade fix the problem fast.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.